Imagine waking up every day feeling truly wealthy, not just in your bank account, but in your health, relationships, experiences, and knowledge. What if true wealth isn't just about money, but about 5 key areas that shape a fulfilling life? Today, we're diving into the 5 types of wealth by Sahil Bloom, a framework that goes beyond financial success and helps you create a richer, more meaningful life. Sahil Bloom, an entrepreneur and investor, developed this framework to redefine wealth in a way that resonates with modern life. His idea: wealth isn't just about financial freedom, it's about balance across 5 key areas. But why is this important? Many people chase financial success only to feel unfulfilled. This framework helps ensure that while you build your financial future, you don't neglect other forms of wealth that bring lasting happiness and success. So, who is this video for? If you're someone who wants to grow in all aspects of life, money, relationships, knowledge, health, and experiences, this is for you. Let's break down each wealth type and why it matters. 1. Financial wealth. This is what most people think of when they hear the word wealth. It includes your savings, investments, and real estate, essential for security and freedom. 2. Social wealth. Strong connections and a supportive network of friends and family bring joy, emotional support, and opportunities in life. 3. Experiential wealth. The unique experiences that enrich your life, from traveling to learning new skills, create memories that last a lifetime. 4. Physical wealth. Your health is the foundation of everything. Good fitness, nutrition, and rest are essential to enjoy your other wealth types. 5. Intellectual wealth. The knowledge, skills, and ability to grow intellectually give you the power to adapt, innovate, and create opportunities. Now that we know the 5 wealth types, how do we build them? Financial wealth. 1. Invest in a diversified portfolio. 2. Save for retirement and unexpected events. 3. Manage debt wisely and work toward financial independence. Social wealth. 1. Prioritize meaningful relationships and spend time with loved ones. 2. Build a strong, supportive network of friends and mentors. 3. Give back to your community and help others grow. Experiential wealth. 1. Travel to new destinations and experience different cultures. 2. Step outside your comfort zone and try new things. 3. Create unforgettable memories with family and friends. Physical wealth. 1. Prioritize nutrition, exercise, and sleep for overall well-being. 2. Engage in physical activities that you enjoy. 3. Seek medical care when necessary and listen to your body. Intellectual wealth. 1. Commit to lifelong learning by reading books and listening to podcasts. 2. Develop new skills that align with your goals and interests. 3. Attend workshops, network with knowledgeable individuals, and stay curious. Knowing these wealth types is just the beginning. To apply them, 1. Create a personalized wealth strategy that balances all 5 areas. 2. Set clear goals and take actionable steps daily. 3. Regularly reevaluate and adjust to ensure growth in all areas. True wealth isn't just about money, it's about balance. When you cultivate all 5 types of wealth, you build a life that is not only successful, but deeply fulfilling. So, which type of wealth do you want to focus on first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for book recommendations and resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.